Hello everyone and welcome to the Gunpla Network News. As always, I'm your host, The Spicer, and today's episode is brought to you by none other than Canadian Gundam. Canadian Gundam is your one-stop shop for all your Gunpla and Plamo needs here in North America. While you're browsing their catalog and placing your next order, don't forget to use the promo code Gunpla Network for 10% off. Starting us off, we have Bandai teasing the next real grade over on their Facebook page. This photo is undoubtedly a new Evangelion, most likely Unit 6 from the new Rebuild series of movies. The unit does make minor appearances in the first two movies with a slightly beefier role in the third. We also have the figurized standard amplified Imperial Dramon, set to release January 30th of 2021 for a price tag of 4,950 Japanese yen. Imperial Dramon is an ancient dragon-type Digimon with immense power. In its Wild Dragon mode, the unbridled rage of a dragon is let loose, while in the Man mode, it harnesses this power with great skill due to its high level of intelligence. And yes, January 30th was in the past, so technically this is already out. We also have the P-Bandai Ultimate Mechanics Gundam Unicorn Bust, with a release date tentatively set for December of 2021 and a price tag of 27,500 Japanese yen. The RX-0 comes to us in yet another form, and this time it's in a bust. Focusing on the upper chest and head of the unit, this kit shows all the important parts such as the head transformation and even a light-up cockpit. An LED does allow you to change the color from red to green, and there's even a little red ball portion that goes over the front if you want it to look closed. We also have the P-Bandai High-Grade After Colony Gundam Geminus Unit 2 Land Battle Heavy Unit Version expansion parts, set to release in May of 2021 for a price tag of 2,200 Japanese yen. The OZXGU-02A Gundam Geminus 2 comes to us from a Gundam Wing side story known as New Mobile Report Gundam Wing Dual Story G-Unit. This is part of two Gundam-type mobile suits developed for Oz that matches Unit 1 in almost every way except for color and pilot. This heavy weapon set allows this nimble mobile suit to pack a much greater punch in the atmosphere with a whole new array of weapons. We also have the P-Bandai Railgrade Tallgeese 3 Titanium Finish version, set to release June of 2021 for a price tag of 7,700 Japanese yen. The OZ00MS2B Tallgeese 3 gets the royal treatment here with this titanium finish. This suit is featured in the OVA series and movie New Mobile Report Gundam Wing Endless Waltz as an upgraded version of the Tallgeese that is piloted by Preventer Wind, aka Zex Marquis, aka Miliardo Peacecraft. We also have the P-Bandai Re-100 Vignagina 2 Jupiter Battle version, set to release in April of 2021 for a price tag of 4,620 Japanese yen. The XM07B Vignagina 2 Jupiter Battle version comes to us from Mobile Suit Crossbone Gundam Steel 7, featuring a rather unique whip-like weapon over the traditional forearm-mounted beam shields of the time. This whip does emit beam blades of its own and can cut through just about any mobile suit it runs across in its story. We also have the Master Grade 1100 Gundam Death Scythe Hell EW version special coating, set to release in January of 2021 for a price tag of 10,450 Japanese yen. The XXXG01D2 Gundam Death Scythe Hell comes to us in a special coating version courtesy of the Gundam base. unfortunately meaning yes, this is a Gundam Base exclusive. Donning the bat-like aesthetic used in new mobile report Gundam Wing Endless Waltz, partnered with the special coating, this God of Death has new life. And yes, January has pretty much come and passed at this point, so this is out. And now for the top 5 builds of the week. In 5th place, we have Kevin Winoto and his custom Dynamis. In 4th place, we have Carlo Borjas da Ana and his Master Grade Estrella. In 3rd place, we have Tuan Le and his RX-93 Hainu Custom. In 2nd place, we have Azet Aziz in his high-grade Uravan Custom. And in 1st place, we have Jason Sai and the Devourer. And that has been it for the news this week. In those comments down below, do let us know what you're most excited to see. Of course, check out our other content here on YouTube. We do more than just the news. We do reviews, lore, our podcast, and quite a bit more. We're also over on Facebook, Instagram, our website, and Teespring. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, as always, friends, stay safe and keep on building.